Hello Miss, today I'm Rati and I would like to deliver my reading monologue entitled Masha. Please enjoy. I'm telling you all this because you are a writer. You may be able to use it. I tell you honestly, if he had seriously wondered himself, I would not have going on living for another minute. But I have courage, all the same. I have made up my mind to tear this love of my heart. Tear it out by the roots. I'm going to get married. To Mad Fedenko. To love without hope. To spend whole year waiting for something. But when I marry, there will be no more of that. New careers will stifle the old. Anyhow, it will be a change. Don't look at me like that. Women drink more often than you imagine. Only a few drink openly, as I do. Drink in secret. Good luck. You are very unassuming person. I'm sorry to be parting from you. My schoolmaster is none too clever, but he is kind and a poor soul, and he loves me very much. I'm sorry for him. Well, I wish you all the best. Don't think badly of me. I'm so friendly. I'm very grateful to you for your friendly interest. Do send me your book. And be sure to autograph them. Only don't write to my esteemed friend. Only write to Masha, who doesn't know where she comes from and why she is living in this world. Goodbye. Well, that's all about my reading monologue. Thank you very much.